The following segment is sponsored by Tillamook. Fans are gearing up for the big game day and, more importantly, filling their game day menus with crowd-pleasing snacks everyone will love. Here to share. The following segment is sponsored by Tillamook. The following segment is sponsored by Tillamook. Fans are gearing up for the big game day and, more importantly, filling their game day menus with crowd-pleasing snacks everyone will love. Here to share their tips for creating the ultimate cheesy game day spread are entertaining expert Rosalind Daniels and Tillamook's executive chef and cheese expert Josh Archibald. Both of you, welcome to the show.
Thank you so much for having us.
Thanks, Laura. We're excited to be here.
All right, anytime we can talk about food, it's a good day. Okay, Rosalind, what are your tips for hosting the perfect game day party?
Oh, Laura, I have so many tips for you. But first off, did you know that most people are more interested in the food and the activities more than the game? So that lets me know that the food and your snacks are the true MVP of the day. So I like to keep that in mind when I'm creating gatherings for my friends and family. So I like to make nice, large grazing boards with a hero in the center. And this year, my hero is going to be my beer cheddar cheese dip. It's absolutely delicious. Friends and family loves it, and it's because I use bold and melty sharp cheddar cheese by Tillamook. I also like to use their cheesy creamy cream cheese spread and their extra creamy butter. It's so good and it's really easy to make. And everyone can always taste the high quality ingredients that Tillamook's use, because every bite that you take, it's better and better and better.
I love it. Well, I am here to tell you I am one of those people that is way more interested in the food than the game. Just keeping it honest. Chef Josh, this question is for you. Tell us about what you'd serve to best complement a dip.
Yeah, anything dipped in Tillamook cheese is great, but hear me out on this. You can really amp up your spread with more cheese-inspired snacks. We did these cheddar cheese coins with sharp cheddar and just a hint of spice. You can actually make the dough a few days ahead of time, freeze it, and then slice them and bake them on the morning of. We've got a savory jalapeno and cornmeal waffle here. This recipe is courtesy of our good friend and partner, Erin McDowell. We've done some grilled cheese batons on super thick sourdough bread. Chef's trick, the exterior smear is a mixture of our extra creamy butter and mayonnaise. Gives it that nice, unctuous, brown, golden crispness. And you can't sleep on this sharp cheddar pretzel bite, perfect for dragging through this dip over and over and over. Tillamook cheddar comes in shreds, slices, and blocks to give you creamy, melty results with bold flavor for any recipe or occasion.
I love it. Okay, Rosalind, do you have any more tips for how to round out the perfect party?
Okay, so Tillamook is so delicious that it actually inspired a whole musical compilation album called Block Jams, and it's cheddar inspired. So it was created by 3 TikTok stars, and I suggest that you have that playing in the background, set the mood for the evening, and just have some cheesy tunes going.
I absolutely love that. Honestly, all of these tips and all of these recipes, how can you not be the most popular party hostess if you follow these? Where can we go for more information?
Thanks.
Yeah, so to find Tillamook products in your local grocery store and to hear that awesome Block Jams album, you can visit us at tillamook.com.
Perfect. Well, both of you, thanks so much for being with us today and sharing your advice.
Thank you
Thanks,
for
Laura.
having us.